Oh no! Who are they? They can run so fast! Come on, let's check it out! Wow! What a lovely baby dinosaur! What's its name? Let's learn about it. The world is amazing! Let's keep learning! Smart tablet! Activate!
A small body with a long tail, curved and sharp claws, sharp toes, a long beak with sharp teeth. Velociraptor. Velociraptor is a carnivorous dinosaur that existed during the Cretaceous period. It has a small body, but it can run very fast.
It is Velociraptor! Oh no! What a large, ferocious dinosaur! Velociraptor is too small to beat this large dinosaur. What should we do? Quacky, don't worry. Although Velociraptor is small, it runs very fast. Big dinosaurs can't catch up with it. Look! Velociraptor won! Velociraptor runs too fast! Of course! Huh? What is that sound? Ha! It is Velociraptor! Velociraptor's stomach is growling. It must be starving. The cookie is crispy. Velociraptor must love it as well. Let's share the cookie. Velociraptor does not eat cookies. What? Well, what does Velociraptor like to eat? Kids, let's take a look. Kids, do you know what Velociraptor likes to eat? A. Meat. B. Leaves. C. Fruits. Wow! That's right! You are right! Velociraptor has a small body, but it's a ferocious carnivore. It preys on other dinosaurs. Velociraptor is so small. Can it capture the prey? Sure. Smart Velociraptor will hunt for prey in a pack. Look, Velociraptors are about to hunt for prey. Let's check it out. A lot of prey have been found. Let's help Velociraptors line up for hunting. Velociraptor can hunt for more prey in the teamwork with friends. Let's hunt for prey together. Tap and catch it. Let's hunt for prey together. Come on, you're going to catch it soon. 2 new friends are coming. Velociraptor can hunt in a pack, so it's easier to capture the prey. Let's hunt for prey together. Come on, you're going to catch it soon. You've captured a lot of prey. Great job. Quacky, what have you learned about Velociraptor? Oh, Velociraptor runs very fast. Velociraptor is a ferocious carnivore. Velociraptor can hunt for prey in a pack. That's great! Quacky is so clever. Hey! Next, let's fix the dinosaur model.
Quack, 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 quack.
Kids, have you got it? Let's try to find Velociraptor. 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 Velociraptor has sharp teeth in its snout. Velociraptor has a thin and long tail. Velociraptor has sharp toes. Velociraptor runs fast. Is this correct? Velociraptor runs fast, and it is an excellent runner among dinosaurs. Velociraptor likes to eat leaves. Is this correct? Velociraptor is a carnivorous dinosaur that likes to eat meat. Velociraptor preys on other dinosaurs in a pack. Is this correct? Velociraptor would prey on other dinosaurs in a pack.